The biggest mistake people make using AI, outsourcing thinking. The biggest mistake people make with AI is outsourcing thinking. AI is powerful, but not accountable. AI can generate outputs, but it cannot take responsibility for outcomes. AI should accelerate thinking, not replace it. Use AI as a thinking accelerator, not a thinking substitute. Prompt laziness kills value. Vague inputs produce vague outputs. Structured inputs produce structured value. Overtrust is dangerous. AI can hallucinate. It can misinterpret context. It can sound confident and still be wrong. Verification is non-negotiable. Always validate important outputs. Human judgment is still required. AI is just a tool like any tool. Its impact depends on the user. Passive users versus strategic users. Those who use AI passively will stagnate. Those who use it strategically gain advantage. The real differentiator: AI doesn't replace thinking. It amplifies the thinker.